Hey there everybody, Cindy Hartzell here, and it's been quite a while since I've posted any little videos, just kind of chatting and thinking and sharing my thoughts with everybody, and so I wanted to take a minute and do just that. It's a beautiful day here in the Carson Valley of Nevada. And for those of you who actually follow me, that's Harry in the background. He doesn't understand while I'm not over there with him, and he would be totally distracting, is why I'm here and not there. But I just wanted to share with all of you some of the things that are going on with me. I know a lot of you follow me on Facebook, and I thank you so much for being a part of my journey. As you know, this year has been kind of a rocky year. We started out pretty good. Lots of plans for horsemanship and women retreats, and really wanted to bring along. I've got 3 horses here that I really am wanting to bring along as my partners, doing various things with me. So I had a whole 2022 planned of just really growing in my horsemanship and helping other people to grow in their horsemanship. And for those of you who are new to this journey with me, horsemanship is a journey in self-development. And for many, they don't really realize that. They're striving to do the things they want to do with their horses and have their horses be the best that they can be. And I believe that unconsciously they are going through the self-development journey and they don't even realize it. The horses call them to do that. But anyway, that's not what this video is really all about. It's about where am I at in February 2022. Of 2022, yes, 2/22/22, Handsome Harry cut off a great portion of his hoof, and that kind of brought everything, as far as he and I were concerned, to a screeching halt for our dreams of 2022, our plans, and put us on a different journey. And then during the process of helping him rehab, I had an injury in my arm that I had been dealing with for a couple years, and one of my other horses pulled on my arm pretty good and detached my bicep tendon from my shoulder, and I had some other rotator cuff injuries. So on April 28th, I had surgery, and Harry and I are now on a 12-month rehab journey together. I've had a lot of people say to me, as I'm re-emerging from I'm 3 weeks post-surgery, and I've had a lot of people say to me, "Oh my God, you look so good. You look great. Wow." And it's kind of caught me by surprise. Like, what did you think I would look like? You know? And then I started really thinking about that, and it's like, well, what did I think? You know, I didn't have any idea what this surgery would be like, and I heard a lot of things about how horrible it would be. And in reality, I am doing really good. I am doing actually way better than I thought I would. And when I reflect back on this year and Harry's injuries and not knowing if he was going to recover and having our plans put on hold, and then my surgery and having my plans for my horses put on hold, well, the Cindy Hartzell that I have known for the past many, many years would not have handled that well. She would have been wallowing in, why me? Why can't I get a break? Why does this always happen to me? I would be in full-blown fear. I'm not earning any money. How am I going to pay for all of these horses? How am I going to help us sustain this ranch, which is my dream? And I would be allowing my history of lack of self-worth start attacking me, like, you don't deserve this dream, see, it was never meant to be, the universe only lets you have so much of your dream, and then wham, it's knocked out from underneath your feet, and blah, 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 blah. I mean, holy smokes, that was my reality. For a very long time, actually for all of my life, I have had those insecurities, those doubts, those fears. I lived life in a great deal of fear. And thank God there's something inside of me that is very tenacious because it just keeps me going. And I just think it's part of my purpose. I think it's why I'm here, is to just keep believing in my dreams, and horses are my dreams, and being the best that I can be for them is what makes my heart sing. And over the years, I have realized that I am not alone. There are so many of us out there who have a dream burning inside of us and they don't know how to make it come true, who don't have the self-worth. They don't believe in themselves as much as they could, as much as they deserve, and have that negative chatter going on constantly inside of their mind that's questioning every move, every thought, and the yeah buts and the yeah buts and the what ifs and the what ifs that just overwhelm us and stop us in our tracks and make it hard to step out into this world and be seen in a way that we deserve to be seen, that we want to be seen, that the world needs us to be seen. And so my personal journey over these last, I'm going to say probably 8 to 9 months, has been one of going within and discovering who I really am and embodying who I know I am meant to be. That confident, courageous, tenacious, wise, funny, sometimes scared shitless woman that I am. And what I am going to spend these next 12 months doing while I am recovering, and I can't play with horses, I can't halter my horses, I can't ride my horses, is I am inviting women to this beautiful ranch that I live on. You can see behind me, we have this beautiful yard, and we're going to kind of pan around to, now we're looking out over the pastures. And again, back behind me is Harry. You can't really see. Let's see if I can move in a way. Back there is Harry and my round pen. And what I'm going to do for the next 12 months is I am going to invite you, women who resonate with all that I've just shared and are ready to step into who you are truly meant to be. I'm going to invite you to start joining me and my horses. We're going to begin with Indy. She's a little kill pen rescue mare who has had her share of knocks and abuse, and she's got her story, and she is an amazing teacher and an amazing healer. And we're going to start doing 5-week circles here, and we're focusing on the pathway to true unity. And we need unity in humanity. We need to realize that we are not an island of our own in a world of other islands. We are meant to be united, and it starts by creating the unity within yourself. And when I mean unity within yourself, is discovering who you are and looking at every aspect of yourself, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and learning to embrace all of that. Because until we can embrace it, we're not aware of it, first of all. And then when we become aware of it, we often want to resist it. We don't want to own it. We don't want to go, ooh, yeah, That's part of me. But until we do, we can't create change. So I'm actually really, really excited about this upcoming year that Harry and I will be off, because I am becoming the woman that I've always dreamed of being. And I am ready to step up and open the doors to my ranch and invite as many women who are ready to step into their divine feminine, their personal power, and to become united within their hearts, their souls, their minds, their bodies, their emotions. Because once we can do that within ourselves, then it happens around us with every other relationship in our lives. It happens, we become united with our dreams. We become united with our families. If you're seeking to have love in your life and you haven't been able to find it, you'll begin to attract it. You'll be magnetic in who you are. So that's my update. It's a little bit longer. I don't know how many of you will actually listen all the way through this video, but you're missing all the good stuff because it's always at the end. It's not. Sometimes it's at the beginning, but it's usually at the end. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment on this video. Are you ready? Are you ready to join me on the pathway to true unity? I have a horsemanship online program, and this is not a shameless plug. I created my online horsemanship program last year in 2021, and it's called Pathway to True Unity. And it's about creating that unity with your horse, the partnership and the relationship that you've always dreamed of having, but you didn't know how to achieve. And in the process of creating that, I have discovered that the pathway to true unity begins with us. And then we can focus on creating it with another. So everybody, thank you so much for following me and being a part of this journey with Handsome Harry and I appreciate you all. And we'll check in real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.